here on ZTM Prime. Yadah versus Simba Bora. Matchday number 5 in the Casablanca Premier Soccer League. Ismail Nyani with space down this wing here and a chance for Bhora. It was a good chance.
He's got loads of skill, and that front three, Rusike, Chipangura and Billiard.
Rusike! Well, the referee seeing something as that ball went. Choices to deliver today. Here's Rusike. Rusike once again. And Talbot Shumba at his angle covered this time around. They are playing in front of their home fans in their own stadium. Kama Billiards. On to Marlon Mushonga. It was a thunderbolt. 21 minutes we have played. Still goalless between Yadah and Simba Bora. Ismail Nyani now. Nyani! Oh, it was a thunderous shot. Machope exerting more pressure. Walter Musona with a loose ball, but well defended. And Yadah who got to breathe where he was lacking awareness. Blessed Ndereki. Mukiwa. Picked up by Simba Bora's Saunyama. Machope. Can he do much better? Oh, he does well. Time on Machope! 1-0. Simba Bora in the lead. 29 minutes gone. And Machope making sure that the Shamba bedside draw fresh blood here. Machope against Munupezi. Machope! Oh, it's a second one! No, it's not going to count. It's not going to count. The offside flag was up on that far side. And Chupunza onto this near side here. Good cross. Machope! Webster Tafa. Onto Kawe. An opportunity here. And a chance! It's not going to count.
Who should be able to get goals for Yadah today? It could be him.
And Yadah under pressure at the moment. Walter Musona. Musona! 2-0. Simba Bora extend their lead here. Fell kindly to Walter Musona and made no mistake. And now onto the corner flag as they celebrate. Oh my word. Back but picked up by Sango. On to Ndereki. Ndereki on the edge of the box. Oh, good try. What a goal last week against Wange. On to Kawe. Can he whip him across? Yes, it does. And slightly goes over from Blessing Moyo.
Little touches and try and take it to the far side.
And Simba break again on that far side. And a shot. Bit speculative to Nadolo. Sango. Cross into the box, but well defended. Ndereki still with possession. Ndereki! Good goal! Oh, what a strike!
What a beautiful shot.
From the defensive link man.
Again,
setting us up for a thrilling finale here.
Again, Howard. Short, crisp, little touches. Sango, Nadolo, Sango, Nadolo, and it opened them up and they come their way.
Makopa with the cross into the box. And the despairing dive from Talbot Shumba. Chipangura out onto that far side. Can a cross come in? Yes, it does. And a chance again to Ndereki. Oh, it's a short one.
2-1. Simba getting the first and the second. Yadah coming in to halve